Hello friends. Welcome to Learn English Quiz. This is the Phrasal Verbs game. Today we will talk about cooking. For more learning English videos, please drop your like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. I can whip up a quick pasta dish in under 30 minutes. In this sentence, whip up means prepare quickly, eat slowly, serve cold, burn food. To whip up means to prepare or cook something quickly, often with minimal effort. It's a useful expression for someone who can create meals in a short amount of time. I've decided to cut down on sugar for a healthier diet. In this sentence, cut down on means reduce the amount, increase the amount, serve more, taste sweet. To cut down on means to reduce the amount of something, particularly food or drink. It's often used when someone is trying to improve their health. Be careful not to melt down the chocolate. It should be smooth and creamy. In this sentence, melt down means turn to liquid, freeze solid, serve cold, burn completely. To melt down means to turn a solid into liquid by heating. In cooking, this is often used for ingredients like chocolate or butter. Adding a pinch of salt can really bring out the flavors of the dish. In this sentence, bring out means enhance flavors, make it bland, mask flavors, remove spices. To bring out means to enhance or emphasize a particular quality in food, such as taste or smell. You should turn down the heat while simmering the soup. In this sentence, turn down means cool down fast, decrease the heat, serve immediately, increase the heat. To turn down means to decrease the intensity, especially of heat while cooking. This helps to simmer food slowly for better flavor development. Don't forget to mix in the eggs before adding the flour. In this sentence, mix in means combine the ingredients, serve separately, separate the ingredients, leave out ingredients. To mix in means to combine an ingredient thoroughly into a mixture, ensuring even distribution. I want to try out this new recipe for dinner tonight. In this sentence, try out means discard completely, ignore the recipe, serve without cooking, test a recipe. To try out means to test or experiment with something, often for the first time. It's commonly used for testing recipes. After mixing the batter, set aside some for the topping. In this sentence, set aside means add immediately, discard it, reserve for later, use all of it. To set aside means to reserve or leave something for later use, crucial in many cooking processes. For a small gathering, I need to scale back the number of ingredients. In this sentence, scale back means serve larger portions, use more ingredients, increase the amount, reduce the amount. To scale back means to reduce the quantity of something, such as ingredients for a meal, often to avoid waste. Don't forget to take out the chicken from the freezer a few hours before cooking. In this sentence, take out means put in the freezer, add ice, remove from the freezer, serve immediately. To take out means to remove something from a particular place, like food from the freezer, ahead of the cooking process. It's easy to put together a salad if you have all the ingredients ready. In this sentence, put together means disassemble completely, leave it unfinished, prepare a meal, serve separately. To put together means to assemble or prepare something, such as a meal or dish, from various parts or ingredients. You can heat up leftovers in the microwave for a quick meal. In this sentence, heat up means make it cold, cool down, discard it, warm it. To heat up means to warm something that has already been cooked or prepared, making it ready to eat. Let's finish off the dessert before it gets too warm. In this sentence, finish off means leave unfinished, consume completely, serve cold, make more dessert. To finish off means to consume something entirely or to complete it, often referring to a meal or dish. I like to make ahead some meals for the week to save time. In this sentence, make ahead means prepare in advance, cook last minute, serve immediately, avoid cooking. To make ahead means to prepare food in advance, which is a great time-saving strategy for busy people. This recipe will bring together flavors from different cuisines. In this sentence, bring together means combine flavors, keep separate, serve plain, make bland food. To bring together means to combine different ingredients or flavors, often resulting in a unique dish. Once the dough is ready, we can bake off the cookies. In this sentence, bake off means serve raw, cook in the oven, microwave quickly, fry in oil. To bake off means to cook something in the oven until it is fully baked, often used in the context of pastries and desserts. He can cook up a delicious meal with whatever is in the fridge. In this sentence, cook up means prepare a meal, serve raw, waste ingredients, burn the food. To cook up means to prepare a meal or dish, often implying creativity and resourcefulness using available ingredients. I might need to go shopping because we're about to run out of flour. In this sentence, run out of means find something new, have plenty of, stock up on, deplete a supply. To run out of means to deplete a supply of something, in this case, an essential ingredient for cooking. Make sure to pour in the milk slowly to avoid splashes. In this sentence, pour in means serve immediately, add slowly, spill everywhere, keep it contained. To pour in means to transfer a liquid from one container to another, often requiring care to ensure it goes My sister will take over the cooking duties while I'm on vacation. In this sentence, take over means hand off the task, stop cooking, ignore completely, assume control. To take over means to assume control or responsibility for something, such as cooking in this context. So, how many questions did you get right? Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Want to try another quiz? Check out our other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching.